Experience luxury and performance with the 2019 Audi A6 2.0 TDI S Line. This sleek and stylish saloon boasts a 2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, and a range of comfort and safety features, including satellite navigation, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. The grey exterior and luxurious interior trim make a statement on the road. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit audikerry.ie for more information today.